now see, I have given some examples worked out here for you. So we just have come to know that from A proposition we have to convert to I, from E to E, from I to I, and from O proposition no conversion. Okay, by transposing the subject and the predicate. Now it may be that the question may come in this way, only a sentence. So or it may come in this way, in a direct logical form. In both way the question may come. So if it doesn't come in the logical form, then we have to convert it first of all into logical form. Suppose roses are pregnant. So roses, some roses, all roses are not pregnant. So by meaning, so I have converted into I proposition, some roses are pregnant. And from I to I, we know already that from I to I. So I have converted like this. Now this is in the logical form. All sane persons are peace lovers. This is A proposition, we know, and from A to I. So some peace lovers, subject predicate transposed, some peace lovers are sane persons. Birds are not beasts. This is not in a logical form. No birds are beasts actually, so that's why no birds are beasts I have written. It is E proposition, and from E to E, I have to write therefore for inference, no beasts are birds. Some students are efficient. This is also in I proposition. So I proposition from I to I, you can see from I to I. So some efficient beings are students. I have inserted one beings here because some efficient student will not look like a good. So some efficient beings are students. Now educated women are hardly superstitious. So hardly is there, you can see. This is not in a logical form. And we know that where there is hardly, this is a negative term, and the sentence, if the sentence is a positive one, so we have to convert it into negative one, that is O. Some educated women are not superstitious. And as this is O proposition, we know that O proposition cannot be converted. So we'll write O proposition cannot be converted. This is a singular proposition. Everest is the highest mountain. And this is a exception. We all know that we have to convert from A to I, but in case of exception, this is a case of exception with singular proposition. So I cannot write some here because Everest is the only one mountain. We know that. So we cannot write all, we cannot write some. So in case of singular proposition, this is an exceptional case for conversion, that we will just transpose the subject and predicate and nothing else. Everest is the highest peak is the Everest, and it will remain a proposition. Okay, this is the exceptional case. Now the next one, it is also not in a proper form. Nothing is both black and white. So I have converted into E proposition, remaining the meaning same. No black things are white, and from E to E, we know that we have to convert from E to E. No white things are black. There are white tigers. This is also not in a logical form. So there are white tigers and some tigers are white, and this is I proposition, and from I to I, some white beings are tigers, as tigers are beings. Some boys are intelligent. This is in a logical form. So some intelligent beings are I, from I to I. All women are ladies. This is also in a logical from A proposition, and we know that from A proposition we convert to I proposition. Some ladies are women. Some virtuous men are not man. This is O proposition, and we know that O proposition cannot be converted. No immortal beings are man. This is E proposition, and it is in a form. So from E proposition to E proposition, no man are immortal beings. Some clever beings are not mortal. This is O proposition, and O proposition cannot be converted. No man are gods. This is directly in a logical form, E proposition, and from E to E, no gods are man. All citizens are not patriots. This is not in a logical form, because with all and not, it cannot be in a form. So we have to convert it to O proposition. Some first of all, we have to transform it into O proposition. Some citizens are not patriots, and O proposition cannot be converted. All scientists are philosophers. This is A proposition. So from A proposition to I, some philosophers are scientists. Some poets are idealists. This is I proposition. And to convert it to I proposition, some idealists are poets. Some leaders are good politicians. This is I proposition. And from I proposition to I, we know some good politicians are leaders. Okay.